My name's Oliver Mulqueen, and as of right now, I do landscaping, employed for a company.
That's cool. And what have you been doing here this week?
Just learning the fundamentals of like HMOs and service accommodations and like lease options as well.
And how's it
And
been? What's the experience?
yeah, I'm enjoying it. You know, the networking's really good. You know, my knowledge like on this topic has, you know, like it's just helped me a lot, really and truly. You know, it's made me look at a perspective of life like totally differently. You know, being with like-minded people, not with like your just typical landscapers and average Joes. It's made me get that hunger more and that fire in my belly, like, you know, growing more and more every time I come here.
Nice.
So
And
yeah.
would you recommend this to someone? Or?
Yeah, 100%. I think, you know, you'd be silly not to uh, take this deal, to be honest, because a lot of people I talk to, they've become financially free through hard work. Obviously, it ain't just going to fall in your lap. You do have to put the hard work in at the same time.